Bienvenue sur French Made Simple, the place to learn French clearly, confidently, and step by step. Ever wondered what conjugating a verb really means? Or what an infinitive, a stem, or an ending is? Today, we are breaking down the basics of French verb conjugation, the foundation for all your tenses. Let's break it down step by step. We'll use school-related examples to make it relatable. First, what is a verb? A verb is an action word or a state of being. In French, examples include parler, to speak, manger, to eat, or être, to be. Verbs tell us what's happening, like I speak in class or we eat lunch. Next, what is the infinitive? The infinitive is the basic, raw, and unchanged form of the verb. In English, they're preceded by to, like to speak, to be, to finish. It's the unconjugated form you find in dictionaries. In French, there are 3 types of infinitive verbs. Those ending in er, such as parler, those ending in ir, finir, and those ending in ri, vendre. This is your starting point for conjugation. Number 3. What is the stem? The stem is the root of the verb, what's left when we take away the infinitive ending, er, ir, or re. For parler, we take away er. The stem is parle. For finir, take away ir. It's fin. For vendre, take away ri. It's vend. The stem is the core that stays mostly the same during conjugation. So what is the ending? The ending is the suffix added to the stem to match the subject, who's doing the action, and tense, when it happens. For example, in the present tense, je parle, I speak, ends with I. Nous parlons, we speak, ends with ONS. Endings change based on the verb group, ER, IR, RE, and make the verb agree with the subject. So what does it mean to conjugate a verb? Conjugation means changing the verb's form to fit the subject and the tense. It's not common in English, although you do have to conjugate one verb, to be. You wouldn't say, I to be English. That wouldn't make any sense. You would have to change be into am. I am English. Do you get the concept? Well, in French, you need to start with the infinitive, find the stem by removing the ending, and add the correct ending. For regular ER verbs like parler, I remove ER from the infinitive, then add the correct ending corresponding to the subject pronoun, je, tu, il. Most French verbs are regular ER ones, so start there. They're the easiest. Practice with common school verbs like parler, to speak, or manger, to eat. Let's practice together on ER verb parler, to speak. Step 1. Take the infinitive parler. Step 2. Remove the ER ending. That gives us the stem, parle. Step 3. Add the right ending depending on the subject. You can see all of the ER endings in the table right here. For je, it's I. Therefore, add I to parle, which gives us je parle, I speak. For tu, the ending is es. Therefore, add es to parle, which gives us tu parles, you speak. For il, elle, on, it's I. Therefore, add I to parle, il, elle, on parle, he, she, we speak. For nous, the ending is ONS. Add it to parle and get nous parlons, we speak. For vous, it's EZ. Add it to parle and get vous parlez, you speak. For il, elle, the ending is ENT. Therefore, add it to parle, which gives us il, elle parle, they speak. It is that simple. Now it's your turn. Try and conjugate the verb finir. It's an IR verb, but the process is exactly the same. Take the infinitive finir. Remove the ending IR and add the correct ending, depending on the subject. Et voilà! Okay, here's the correction. Je finis. Tu finis. Il, elle, on finit. Nous finissons. Vous finissez. Il, elle finissent. Let's address some common mistakes. Using a verb without a subject. For example, parle anglais. You must always include the subject. Je parle anglais. Using the wrong ending. Je mange. Je mange. The correct ending for je in the present tense of manger is I, not es. Forgetting about irregular verbs. Some verbs are irregular. It means they follow their own patterns. For example, être doesn't follow the ER rule. I am is je suis. Let's recap. Verbs are action words. The infinitive is the base form. For example, parler. The stem is the root, parle. The ending is the suffix, I. To conjugate is to change the verb to fit the subject and the tense. Practice makes perfect. Why don't you try to conjugate an RE verb, like vendre? Share your answers below, and teachers, check our worksheet. Like and subscribe for more. À bientôt!